Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week we're doing a little bit of a silly collage, and at the end of the video I'm going to give a few channel and life updates just to keep you guys in the loop. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. But while I was looking for sort of my inspiration for this week's video, because I wasn't quite sure what I was going to do, I started looking through this magazine and found an article on plastic and how it's sort of like ruining the environment, and it was a very sad article. But there was this picture of a bunch of toothbrushes in it that I just thought was such a cool image, and I immediately was thinking like this could be like a jungle gym for kids to play on, or like monkeys hanging off of it, or like maybe a silly hat, or like funny hair. I was thinking it kind of looked like troll doll hair, or like Cindy Lou Who hair. I don't know. There were some funny things, but ultimately, when I was thinking about it, I thought that it kind of looked like a bunch of flowers, like a bouquet of flowers. So then I started playing with this idea that they could be flowers. And I wanted to sort of put them in a field with other flowers and maybe put some bees and other bugs buzzing around them. And I kind of like that the plastic of the toothbrushes are colorful too, so they kind of feel sort of like flowers. So anyway, that's my plan. Hopefully we can make it work. So let's see what I can find. Oh wait, it's Joe Exotic. That's hilarious. So this is the same flower book that I pulled a background for a collage I did a few months ago with the embroidery. So I put like a violin player in a field and did the embroidery around her. This is that same book that I found that background in, so I thought it was going to have some cool things. And actually the page right after that original field that I picked for that other collage, the next page was this really beautiful other field of flowers, and I thought that was just kind of funny. It was like I've only used this book a couple of times, and I'm literally using the two pages right in a row, and so I thought that was really silly, but I really liked this background, and I think it's gonna work, so I'm gonna pull it out and see if I can get the toothbrushes to fit in here somehow. It was at this point that I realized that the top two toothbrushes had to go. One, because they were just too tall for the image, And then secondly, the one I had to cut the bristles out of like individually, once I did that, it looked so bad. It looked so weird and ugly. And I had to do that because of like the way there was like red from the background peeking through the bristles. And so I had to cut that off. But it ended up creating these like weird little teeth. And it just looked so weird. So I just decided to cut those two toothbrushes off. So I just didn't have to look at them, didn't have to worry about them. So I just cut them off. It was this moment right here when I realized that I had used all of my bee images for that bee rocket collage I did maybe like 6 months ago. I used like 80 bees in that collage and I could not find a single bee I had already cut out already because I used them all in that collage. So I had found one butterfly and one bee at this point, and I wanted to find at least one more bee, if not maybe another one. And so I went back into a different book and found the same exact illustration that I had found in a different book. It's just facing a different direction. And I've started to notice this in books. Sometimes they just use the same exact illustrations in multiple different books. So I always think this is funny because sometimes you can find an image that's facing a different direction or maybe a different size or like slightly different colors just because the printing of the book is different. And so I always think this is funny. So I pulled out both of these bees and I think they're both great and I kind of like that they're similar. So they'll look nice on the collage together, I think. And I also found a hummingbird that I had cut out and had in my stash. So I thought that was also a nice addition to this. So while I'm gluing this final piece, I figured I would update you guys on some things and just make you aware of my life. So I mentioned a few videos ago that I'm moving soon, and actually, well, I'm moving kind of like right now. And unfortunately, I have sort of like a gap between when I have to leave my current place before I can go into my new place. So basically, for the next like month or so, my videos are either going to be not great or not existent. So there might be a week where I need to skip just because I like can't make filming in a new location work or something like that. So I just wanted to update you guys so you aren't, confused if I don't upload a video or if things are just like totally weird. But that is it. Hopefully in, October, I will have a brand new awesome space and I can ramp back up and make some awesome new collages, and I'm very excited. So thank you guys for watching and supporting this channel. It really does mean the world to me. You guys are so awesome and so nice, and I love sharing all the weird things I make with you. So that is it for today's video, and I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will hopefully see you next week, but maybe not. All right, bye.